Hey everyone, it's Dale from Seed to Spoon, and I want to talk about how we grow our own sponges out here in our garden. So these are loofah plants, and you may have heard the term loofah before, like the things you buy, in the to use in the shower, those type of things. That's the same thing. So this is what we get as an end result once this process is done. But I want to show you how we get that. So this is a vine that grows. We've got these arches, and it's too late to plant it now, but in our app we show you how to grow these. So once you get these fruits, you let them stay on the vine until they get to about this stage. So they start to dry, and then you take them off, and then you keep them indoors until they get hard and brittle like this. So then what you do is you can break them apart like this, and you peel all this off, and basically you have a long strand of this that you can cut into sections, and now you have your own sponge to use. So we use these in the bath, in the shower, in the kitchen for cleaning. We basically use them as a replacement for scratch pads. So you can grow them in your own backyard. They're really simple to grow. In fact, these came up on their own last year from one that dropped seeds, and the seeds found their way over to this arch and it grew up on its own. So anyway, grow loofah. They're really handy to have.